Dear disciple, I'm going to show you how can we draw a trapezium where two angles 75 and 85 degree and two parallel sides 6 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter are given. Okay, just pay attention. At first we draw any line BF. Then we cut off BC. We cut off BC equal to 6 centimeter. We cut off BC equal to 6 centimeter. Now we cut off BE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Cut BE equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now draw an angle at point B equal to 75 degree. Equal to 75 degree. Draw an angle which is 75 at point B. And this angle name FBG. Angle FBG. Now we copy 75 degree angle at point E. Copy the angle 75 at point E. Just copy here 75 and this angle name FE ace. FE ace. FE ace. Now draw an angle at point C which is equal to 85 degree. Draw another angle at point C which is 85 degree. 85. Take the measurement correctly. Which is 85 and this angle name FC D. Now draw 85 degree angle at point D. 85 degree angle at point D. We have to take this measurement correct way, put at this point and cut, and this angle 85, 75, this angle 85, 85. Now join these 2 points and increase so this is our required trapezium A, B, C, D.